Welcome to an Ultimate Windows installation video. This video is an example installation with timber reveals on the windows and brick veneer cladding on the house. It could also be used for any lightweight cladding. Please ignore the plaster internally on this job. This generally isn't installed. The guys are in a little bit of a rush on this project. First, we tape the opening to ensure our tape has an airtight external seal. Next, we measure the opening to ensure our window will fit. Check the opening is level and plumb. At this point, we can add packers to the sill to ensure the window will fit square. Check measure the frame. We want to have at least 5 to 10 mm clear between the outside of the reveals to the stud work to allow for packing and thermal movement. Pack the sill to level. These are 90 mm in length to ensure the window doesn't roll in or out. Lift the window into place. Pack the frame to plumb. We recommend using plastic horseshoe packers. Screw in the guide screw in the top 200 mm of the window. Fix off the rest of the window. Ensure the window is packed square and fix off. Tape externally using a Sega, Proclima, Tremco or equivalent tape. First the sill, then the jambs, then the head. Use a compression roller to ensure an airtight bond. Foam fill the gap between the timber reveals and the stud frame using a low expansion foam like this one from Worth. Test the window works correctly once glazed and it's good to go. Thanks for watching.